All right, we got the Maxxair fans. This is the remote. So make sure when you turn these on, hit power, that turns it on. So with the remote, you've got speed of the fan. So I can go as high as we want to go. If we want to go all the way to 100, that goes on. We can open or close the top here. We can also switch. This goes air in or air out. You see that'll turn the fan off and turn it the other way. Now we got air coming in. Usually we do air in. Obviously if you're hot or want air to come in, you can also do some airflow between the two fans. This also sets both these fans. I'm gonna make this air out. So now you can see this is gonna start up both fans going. So I've got airflow coming in to out and get some flowage going here through the fan. It's good really on hot days if you wanna make sure air is circulating. This also does do auto. So if I set this to a certain temperature, right, I can set this here and it'll try to regulate that. This isn't an air cooling though, or an AC. So with that, just know that it's gonna try to regulate whatever you set it to. So that's how it works. These air fans they don't bring in water or anything either, even if they're open, when it's raining or something like that. We haven't just sit in a monsoon with it yet, but it's been pretty good so far. That's how the fans work.